Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be trying some Indian food from one of my favorite places. But before we get into that, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And let me know if there's anything in particular that you want to see. So I ordered from Samosa House East, which is probably my favorite fast casual Indian places, and they have 3 locations in West LA. There's one in Culver City, there's one in like closer to Venice Beach, and then there's one in Santa Monica. And I've been to, oh my god, my stomach's growling. I've been to all of them except the one in Santa Monica, and they all have good points and bad points. The one in Culver City is very cute. They have like a small, tiny outdoor patio. It looks a little bit more modern. It is a bit smaller compared to the original location near Venice Beach. That place is huge because it's a market, but also they have like this really big eating area. And then I haven't been to the one in Santa Monica. So when I was last at the place with the market, I did buy some chips, which was nice. So I ordered delivery. It came in a plain brown bag, and then I got no rice, no carbs. I just got the actual curries, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8-ounce containers, and they gave me some silverware. I'm gonna just use the spoon. I'll go ahead and taste everything on camera just because I don't want to do like 5 separate videos, and I'm really just going to eat it like this. I won't eat it with bread or rice or anything. So I'm wondering what we should start with. Let's start with all my favorite stuff. Interesting. Some of this, I'm like, this doesn't look like what I ordered, but I'm sure it is. Okay, so this is all, I'm sure, vegan. I don't think there's any cream or dairy in it. There's certainly no meat. So one of my favorite things is their smoked cauliflower. And, oops, it looks like this. And aside from the cauliflower, there's some sort of green leaves or herbs. I don't know if it's like long green onion or spinach, but they smoke it so well that it doesn't really taste like cauliflower anymore, but it is good. So it tastes like curried cauliflower. It has a little kick to it, so it is a little spicy, but just a smidge. I don't know how they make this because the cauliflower is so soft and so tender. It's almost like eating mashed potatoes, but you could still tell that it looks like cauliflower. I wish I could learn how to make this. I'm gonna have some water. It's a little spicy. Okay. Next we have sag, which is, assuming I'm pronouncing that right, it's spinach. And it looks like this. Oh my God, they filled it to the brim. So I don't know if they put it in a immersion blender or they've just cooked it for so long that it just breaks down. So there's definitely spinach in here. I'm sad that there's no cheese in here, like I do love sag paneer, but there's definitely, you could see pieces of onion. I'm sure there's garlic in here and a whole bunch of other herbs and spices. So I basically eat this like soup. This one also has some heat to it. It's a smidge on maybe the bitter side. I feel like that's just how spinach sometimes tastes. It's really good. I really like it. More water. I wish I had cauliflower rice or riced cauliflower. That way I could eat it with that. Okay. This next one I'm hoping is the aloo curry, aloo meaning potato. Oh yeah, okay, good. So there's big chunks of potato in here. Here's another one. So let's try this. This is very good. This one tastes more like a traditional curry. You could see that there's, I don't know if these are black sesame seeds or what, but you could see all the different ingredients. I just don't know what they are. There's also some other seeds that I don't know enough about cooking to recognize what these seeds are, but they're all good. Yeah, I think this one has a little heat too. Okay, next we have dal, which is lentils or lentil curry. Here are the lentils. And I don't know if this is spinach. Maybe it's collard greens, I don't know. So let's try some of this lentil curry. My mouth is all tingling from all the different spices. This is very mild. I almost feel as though there's no spice in here. There's no heat, there's no kick. If I had known that, I would have started with this one first, because now I feel like I could barely taste it after trying the other spicy ones. I also wish I had cold plain yogurt. Not Greek yogurt, because that's too thick, but more on the watery side. Sometimes at Indian places they'll give you the yogurt. I feel like these lentils are huge. And then last we'll try, I don't know what this one is called, except it is garbanzo curry. Oh, it's chan masala. So I don't know if that means garbanzo or this is the type of curry it is that has garbanzos in it. Okay. So these are the garbanzo beans. We're just mixing it up. Okay, let's try this. This one is also not that spicy. I was debating if I really wanted to get this because sometimes I really love garbanzos and then sometimes I don't. Just because I'm like, But now that I got it, I'm really glad I did. I don't think I've had like whole garbanzo like this in a while. So they're really fun to eat. I love the flavor. I love the texture. I love biting it. They're kind of like the size of boba. And then aside from these 5 that I got, they also have jackfruit. It's not really a curry because there's like almost no sauce with it. And I did like it, but I feel like jackfruit is very carb heavy. They had a veggie soy chicken type curry, and I've had that before. It kind of looks like meatballs, but it's made with fake chicken meat, which it tasted good, but if I'm gonna eat Indian food, I would rather eat something that's not so overly processed, since part of the reason why I love Indian food, aside from the taste, is that it's so healthy with so many vegetables. And then another curry that they had, I think there's one more. I can't remember. It's okay. Oh, I know. So they have a yogurt curry, which is like a mustard yellow curry, and it's very good, but it's mostly liquid because they put like little slivers. It almost seems like it's tempura batter in pieces, but it's maybe a little bit firmer. So although I love the flavor, I kind of just didn't want to have like this soup experience when I could have like actual vegetables, even if those were blended completely, because the yogurt curry I feel like is really just water, yogurt, and then like curry spices, and then whatever what feels like tempura batter, or like kind of has like a tofu texture. I love the flavor, but it's so much better with rice, and I want it to be more vegetable heavy versus just getting a dairy curry. So that's why I got all of these, and I will continue eating them off camera, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next one. I hope you have a great night, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!